actually using my previous camera that I used to film with, the Sony. I'm not sure what model it is. I don't think I've seen them anymore at the stores. I don't know if they make them anymore, but this was my first camera ever. But I love this camera because it really makes the skin look super good. The quality is perfect. I just wanted another camera that had the built-in like microphone where I can put a microphone on top. This one doesn't have that. This is a little bit more complicated when it comes to adding a microphone for, like, you know, better sound quality. So I decided to upgrade, blah blah blah. Don't want to talk about that too much, but anyway, so today is June 30th. Tomorrow is July 1st, and guess who's here with me? Hi. This is my daughter. I had her April 4th. She is now 2 months old. She's gonna be 3 months old in 4 days. Her name is Maya. Hi. Hi, girl. Hey. She is so active. She's so big now. Look at her. She is a little human. Oh my goodness. She's a little baby girl. She's so big. It's amazing how fast kids grow. It like literally blows my mind. So anyway, I wanted to do like a little vlog because we are moving back to the US on July 14. We booked our flights yesterday and we are so excited to be moving. I've just been a little bit stressed because we had a little bit of an issue with getting my daughter's birth certificate and then her passport and all that good stuff. It's definitely different, you know, when you're in another country. They do things differently, and you know, some things that you are not aware of that can be a little bit frustrating. So anyway, I won't go into much detail there because it really did mess up our plan, because we were actually supposed to be flying out tomorrow, but for you know, because we had some issues with the hospital and other people, we couldn't get her birth certificate on time. So yeah, we had to delay our flight to the 14th. So it is what it is. You just sometimes gotta go with it, and you know, sometimes things happen for a reason, so you can't really fight that. So whatever. All I care about is honestly just going back to the US. I am so excited to be going back home. We've been here for a little over 3 years, and it's time. It is time to go back home, guys. I haven't been to the US in like 2 years. We did go visit in our first year that we were here. We went to Disneyland and we met up with my family. We saw my husband's family. So yeah, my mom came to visit, my sister came to visit right before having the baby. So that was really nice to have them here, but it sucked because they had to quarantine pretty much the entire time. Well, actually my sister, because my sister was only here for 2 weeks. So she had to quarantine for 10 days. And my mom was here actually for 3 weeks. She also had to quarantine for 10 days, but at least she had some time to actually like go out and explore. So we did all that with me being like 9 months pregnant, 9 months pregnant. So it was a little tough. I wish I could have had more energy, but you know, we had fun. We tried to make the most of it, you know, what we could with the time that we had. So yeah, we are starting to get ready to pack up our stuff, pack up our life, and go back to the US. Now it is a little, you know, it can be a little bit challenging and scary, you know, kind of like moving your entire life again. So but we're going back to, you know, what we know with our family, to the US. You know, it's our home country, so we are super excited for this new start. We are, you know, we're a family of 6. Guys, I cannot believe that I am a mom of 4 babies. I was not planning on that. We were not planning on that, but it happened, and we couldn't be happier for, you know, our growing family. And yeah. And what else did I want to talk to you guys about? Yeah, pretty much yesterday I went to go buy you know, some things that we need for packing and stuff. I ordered online some the gate bags for the car seats, because we are going to be shipping the car seats for the kids, but I don't want them to get damaged. And I remember I had gotten some of those like gate bags. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll put a picture right here. And those pretty much protect the car seats when you travel and you send them off on the plane. And I remember I bought some and I used them to bring them here, and I think I threw them away. Big mistake, because it is even harder here to find some stuff. So you have to order it online, but then the online service is not the greatest here from my personal experience. So yeah, that can be a little bit challenging. A lot of stuff here you have to really dig and go to certain stores. It's not like you go to Walmart, there's everything you can possibly need, you have there. Here you have to go to certain stores in order to find what you're looking for, and then you have to drive quite far, and then you have to deal with traffic and people driving here. People here drive crazy, and that's an understatement. I mean, I'm scared of dying every time I drive, because especially in the city, like downtown area, what they call like Abu Dhabi, like the city. Whoa, if you don't have to go there, don't go. Unless it's absolutely necessary, you live there, then you know. But we always try to avoid going in that area, just because, you know, it's busy, it's the city, that's where a lot of people live, a lot of businesses, everything is there. But we try to stay away because we don't want to be in that situation. Also, what else? Yeah, we've just been super busy, honestly. I have been putting filming in the back burner, and the reason is because I've just been concentrating on other things right now. I just finished a course to become a makeup artist, so I already got my certificate. I haven't gotten the one in the mail, but they did email me my makeup artist certificate, so I'm super excited, guys. That's something, it's like a dream come true. I've been wanting to be a makeup artist for like the longest time. Ever since I can remember, I've always been in love with makeup. I remember when I was little and I used to live with my grandma and my aunt, my mom, my grandparents, my mom and my aunt, and I would always get into my aunt's makeup when she would leave for work. I think I was like maybe like 4 or 5 years old, and I remember she had this one lip gloss that I loved. It was like clear, but then it had like an ombre like with pink. I love that lip gloss, so I would always sneak into like her makeup bag when she would leave, and then I would like play with her makeup. And I remember my grandma would always be like, don't touch her stuff, she's gonna get upset if she sees you playing with her makeup. And I was like, you know, trying to like do my makeup with her makeup, which I don't think she does. She knows that. Sorry. But yeah, I think that's when I started exploring like with makeup. And then you know, little by little I just started like using my mom's makeup, and then I would watch YouTube videos, like makeup videos. So that's when like the love of makeup really grew. And then little by little, I started buying makeup here and there. It was mostly like drugstore. I wasn't really, I don't know, aware, I guess, of like higher end makeup. It was mostly like Coastal Scents and like Sigma that I was like into, and like a lot of drugstore makeup, which, you know, I love drugstore makeup. It's kind of hard to get certain drugstore products, like makeup products here, so I definitely miss the US for that. Here, the only brands I've seen really, it's like, you know, like Maybelline, L'Oreal, Rimmel London, NYX. They don't have any e.l.f. here, which e.l.f. is like a huge, like, you know, I love e.l.f. It's like super affordable and they have amazing quality products, so I really miss e.l.f. Pixie, they don't really have it here. Well, Pixie's not really, is it drugstore? Because they do have it at Target, but not like at Walgreens, if you know what I mean, and stuff like that. They do have some like Wet n Wild, but yeah, not like, you know, not like all the brands that they have in the US, like Milani. I love Milani. I remember I used to, one of my like first foundations that I ever tried was from Milani. It was like the cream compact like foundation. I don't know, it was not that great, but I used to use that. Yeah, anyway, I don't want to ramble too much about that. I feel like I'm going off topic, but so yeah, I'm super excited, guys. This is absolutely a dream come true of becoming an actual makeup artist. So that is what I'm gonna be doing when I go back to the States. My husband's gonna be doing real estate because that's like his passion, and for me it's makeup, so that's something I really wanted to do. You know, whenever I have time, hopefully, like, you know, during the weekend, because my mom can help me out with the kids, so that will be like my time to go out and, you know, do like makeup jobs and stuff like that. So I'm really excited. I'm working on my website. I'm working on, you know, just trying to buy products for my makeup kit, and yeah, I'm so excited, guys. I'm like trying to find like the best makeup products that I could have for my clients. I took I'm actually still watching a makeup seminar. I bought a class. I'm watching all these like master classes from amazing global makeup artists. So I have learned so much. I mean, I thought, I was like, you know what? I've been watching YouTube videos on how to do makeup. I'm a pro. No, honey. No. The stuff that I've learned, yeah, I started like with the basics, but then you like learn things and I'm like, they're like common sense to you in a way, but then you're like, oh, okay, that makes sense, you know? So I have learned so much from that makeup course, the one that I've been taking, and the master classes that I've been watching. So I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. I really hope, you know, it all works out for us. We are so excited. This is like a beginning, you know, a new beginning for us, and we are really looking forward to it. And we're just so excited, guys, because I miss being close to my family, my friends, and I feel like it's time. It's time to go back to our home, you know? And yeah, I feel like I'm rambling too much, or I'm talking too much, and my baby over here is getting kind of... Hi! Can you see yourself? Yeah. So anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching my little vlog segment here. Do you guys like my makeup? I did a very pinky glittery makeup today. My plans for today, I'm gonna be going to the mall. I bought some shoes for my son because they're gonna be starting school, and I got him some shoes and he did not like them, so I am gonna go return them, and I'm gonna take him with me so that he picks his own shoes. I thought he was gonna like them, but, and also I think I got a size too small. So sorry about my hair, I keep like messing with it. I haven't like done anything with my hair in a few days now. I'm just kind of letting it be, you know. I'm letting it just do its thing. I always straighten my hair, and I figured I would let my hair breathe a little bit, let it just like do its thing and give it a little break from the heat. And this is pretty much just like my natural hair. So I have it kind of like wavy. So yeah, I'm just kind of take a break from straightening it and using heat on it. I do need a haircut because my ends are kind of dry. So yeah, I think I definitely need a little haircut there. So I'm gonna do that. I'm planning on doing that before we leave. We're gonna be leaving in 2 weeks. So I'm planning on getting a haircut, maybe like just the ends. And I'm planning also on getting lash extensions like that week that that we're gonna be leaving, just because I don't want to look too rough, you know. Like at least, you know, lashes really change your face, so it does make you look a little bit better. It really does help. So I actually used to use lash extensions like all the time, but I kind of stopped to kind of give my lashes a break, so I just use like false lashes, which I love, you know. But yeah, anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my little, I don't know, ramble video. I hope you guys are doing great. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.